Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. Today I'll show you how to do a cross pattern with this 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Okay, first of all you have to solve this Rubik's Cube. Okay, so let's go and solve this super fast because if you do not know how to solve it, you can just go and watch my previous videos where I've shown you stepwise process to solve it. Okay, so let's speed up this solving process so that you do not have to waste your time. Okay, so if you want to watch this solving process, you have to go to the to my videos. Okay, so and just learn it. So let's get started. Okay, now we have solved this Rubik's Cube. Now I just fast forwarded it, and if you do not know how to solve this, just I'll leave a link on the description of this video to stepwise process on how to solve this first layer, the second layer, and finally the third layer. Okay, now let's do what we want. Okay, so that means we want this cross. Okay, we want a cross all across it. Okay, we want the cross pattern out here. Okay, in order to do that, first hold your cube wherever you want, like this, yellow on the top as usual. You can do it with white or other things, but let's go with this yellow on the top. Okay, so this is the upper layer, this is the middle layer, this is the down layer, and this is the back layer. Okay, so similarly this is right layer and this is left layer. Okay, so let's get started. The upper layer 2 times, right layer 2 times, left layer 2 times, front layer 2 times, the back layer 2 times. You can see the pattern is going to fall. And then the down layer again 2 times, then the right layer 2 times, left layer 2 times, front layer 2 times, and the back layer 2 times. Okay, let's see if the pattern has been done. Okay, so you can see out here, see, so this is a cool pattern which you can do it. Okay, so it's very easy. If you do not get it, you just watch this video again and you'll know how to solve it. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Okay, so I've just created a cross pattern for you guys. It's really easy.